How's it going, guys? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another episode, guys. Please reach out to me if you need websites, landing pages, mobile apps, web apps, and UX audits. My name is Pessane. For those of you that is the first time coming across my channel, and I'm a UX UI designer, so I am your guide, guys. For today's episode, we're going to be talking about Spectrum, Adobe Design System, right? In the last episode, if I'm not mistaken, we spoke about Uber design system. So for today, we're talking about Spectrum, Adobe design system, which is really important, guys. We need to, once we're done with our chapters about our design systems, and then we go back to our tutorials. Am I right? But yeah, we'll mix and match in between. However, it's really important that you guys know as many design systems as possible, how to get them to Figma, and how to work your way all the way there, right? Perfect. So without any further ado, let's jump on. Let's jump on. So let's start off here. We have your principles, like get to know our foundational thinking and how we put our action across our design system. And you can download UI kits. Let me just right click here. You can download fonts, you can download icons, and of course you can download Adobe XD plugin. All right, you can download the buttons, they're right there. UI kits, and then the fonts, we have them here: Adobe Clean, Adobe Clean Serif. We have the Adobe Clean Hand, Source Code Pro for the UI kits. For the icons, can only be used for design. Let's check out here UI icons. Here are the icons. Workflow icons. And there's plenty of those as well. The list just keeps going, right? The list just keeps going. And then you can download the plugin. Once you download the plugin, and you can just install it on Figma or any other interface. Check out the content. Voice and tone, grammar and mechanics, language and inclusivity, in product board list, writing errors, and that. And then after that, we check out the components, right? Let's go one by one. Spectrum design system. There's plenty of those. Hold on. Actions, containers, data visualization. Actions. Why is that actions? Check out feedback, actions, components, actions, action bar. There we go. Yeah, let's just use this bar over here one by one, right? So something like this, you can download it. You can use this for multiple exercises, such as on any software that you're designing. In order to showcase the software, that's what you do. Check out action buttons, right? Like your copy, label, hold icon. Okay, you edit buttons. But guys, check out action buttons. Buttons that are related to each other. For example, when you can edit, and then right next to you have copy, and then right next to you have delete, and then right next to you have the three options. All right, edit. This is an action group, and you have that density, justified, quiet, enabled section. Justified, or like grid, list view, all of those. Quiet, we have those there. Enable section, same thing. Selection mode, emphasis, empty selection, and overflow mode disabled as well. And it just keeps going. Where were we? This is the action group. So we were at close button. No button group, no button. Let's just check out button. Our action group. Okay, so let's try action group again, then button. Get started with the button. Really important, right? It just justifies the action that is being taken. So it's like button, action, 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 delete, add, edit, right? That's a regular button. Share, render, share. All right, button group. There's a grouping of buttons whose actions are related to each other. There. Let's try close button. There, same thing. Close button, close, disabled. Link. Static, quiet. There's many types of links, by the way. There's the one that you send and it's inside the regular text. There's the one that when you send is inside code. There's the one that you send and it's like somewhere in the website. And there you can make them visible, high invisible, and things of those sort, right? Let's check out menus. Settings, there's plenty of menus, right? Pop of a container, tray container, label, icon, description, value, size, selection style, selection header, collapsible, unavailable, disabled, menu selection, label area, many more. Container, let's check out divider, which is like it has a horizontal and vertical dividers. It has different colors as well. Table of opinions, usable guidelines. Let's check out tray. Our containers are displayed, transition, content such as menus, options, additional actions, and more. Data visualization, axes, x-axis, y-axis. Those are like specific for grids, right? So I don't want to jump into too much math, and that's how it is. Let's check out legend. You know these. You can always download the Figma, the Adobe XD file. And Figma has a plugin that you can use to transfer any Adobe file into Figma, right? Categorical color, sequential color, diverging color, size, orientation, and so on. Area chart. There we go. There's plenty of those. Hover, bar chart. Right, big numbers. Check out big numbers. Big number. Okay. There we go. Focus, loading, now values, empty state, error state, donut chart, there, which is the circular one. Legend. Histogram. Feedback. Alert. It's like your trial is expired. Your trial is expired in 3 days and the network connection interrupted and all of these things. So you can always download everything there, right? Really important, guys. Really important. Let's check out color loop. No, that one. Let's go to contextual help. Bear in mind you can download all of these. Just click here, download UI kit. Alright, toast, tooltip. Let's try feedback. There we go. Under banner feedback. Let's try inputs. Checkbox. Illustration, photography, UX, UI design, and so on. Right? It gives you options. It's a checkbox. Gives you options. Those are like radio options. Really good selection there. Checkbox group. All right. Very important. Color area. There we go. Disable, table of options, color slider. Color wheel, combo box, field label. Show what that is. Field label is basically like a text box, right? Field label. Where will we help text? Once you fail, let's say you are either authenticating on an app on a password or something along those lines, the text that comes there, invalid password, change, something along those lines, like help text. Picker, that one, basically like a drop down menu. There's many different names for all these other things, but however, it's like a drop down menu. Radio group, there. Rating, search field, that's the search field, flies to Hawaii. Slider, swatch, swatch group. So all these other colors over here. Switch. Switch is like a toggle. Available, not available. Online, not online. Light mode, dark mode. That's what it is. Text area, let's see. It's like a big text that just comes there. Oh, this and that. This and the third. Yeah. Text field. There we go. This one is avatar, sorry guys, the navigation, that was the avatar right over there. It's like the right, it usually stays either on a mobile or even on a ERP or anything of that web app. It stays on the right side corner, right top right corner. Yeah, something like that. There we go. Breadcrumbs. Side navigation, that's the one, because it usually goes like header, content, footer, right? And then you get your side navigation, your bottom navigation, your other side navigation, and things of that sort. Let's go to tabs. That's the one. Design, prototype, tag, search, traveling, hiking, camping. Or like these are tags like you already you want to search something, and then you just come there as suggestions, and you just select them. Wow, you can just get all of these, any single and every single one of these. You just got to download a UI kit, download UI kit, download UI kit. Status, badge, let's check out badge. Archive, schedule, approved, beginner, beta, trial, active, rejected, advanced, Bastille. Meter. It's like telling you what's happening. Progress bar. That's the one. Progress circle. Then we go for typography. Color harmonies. There you go. Headings can be displayed in serif or sans serif. Default, weight, light, default, heavy. Light, as you know, default is regular usually. Right? And you get extra large, extra large, large, medium, small, extra small, extra small. Body. Get of those. Let's check out patterns. Cards. Oh, look at their cards. I really like their cards. They're quite unique. The design style is quite unique. That's how they design their cards. Fun fact: before I did jumped on Figma, I started off with Adobe XD, and then from Adobe XD, I ventured into Figma and never looked back. But they still have good things going on here. All right. Form errors, that's the one that we spoke about. Headers, those ones stay at the top. Table, that's the one. Tools, and get Adobe XD plugin, and so on. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's episode. Please check this out. It's really important. It has everything that you need to get started your projects, right? My name is Pessane. For those of you that's the first time coming across my channel, and I'm a UX UI designer. Guys, this is a timeless library. You can always come to my channel and see what it is that you want to see, whether it's tools, whether it's inspiration, websites, whether it's tutorials as well. We play around with those, and soon we're dropping a course, really beginner easy course. So, right guys, so thank you so much for watching. Reach out to me on if you need websites, landing pages, mobile apps, web apps, and UX audits. Also follow me on my social media: LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, of course, here, and on Dribbble. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you next time.